morning, Dwight. It's Friday. We made it once again. You guys are outstanding. Give yourselves a pat on the back. You deserve it more than ever. Well, nowadays, are you listening to your favorite music, cooking your favorite dishes, dancing to some of your favorite tracks? Well, whatever you're doing, we hope that you're enjoying it anytime you're free, so take this weekend as a time off. We may not be at school, but reading goes on. The library has made a list of free ebooks and the link is in the description below. Try a cooking challenge over this weekend. For a big challenge, try Gochujang-Glazed ribs. There's a link to the recipe below. Take some time out for yourself. Make sure you make some time to get away from school and the computer. Below is the link to a guided mindfulness session. The photo competition is underway. Today's theme is My View. Use the QR code on the screen or the link to the slides below to submit your pictures. On March 8th, it's going to be International Women's Day or even Mother's Day around the world. Even if you may not celebrate it, let the female figures in your life know that they're amazing. Lastly, we'll see you on Monday with your recharged batteries and your productive work. Thank you. This was Dwight. Morning announcements. Have a delightful day.